watch your man as well. Everybody's in Trinidad. Everything else will be done, love, so my music, love you from the Caribbean, you will never sell out. Say never! Never! Let's talk to she's in front of me. We can get some groovy music inside here. We can get some groovy. Let's rock with me like this. Huh? Let's rock. Just rock. Just rock. I wanna be right now. No. Yeah. Huh? This one's my one and only. Huh? I cannot decide if it's just a lie or are you here for life? Or passing by, I can't deny. I put you aside 'cause I saw in your eyes. Listen, I wonder if I take you home. I wonder if I maybe say all I want to say is no regrets. When I say 6 o'clock in the morning, all you see is no regrets. Say 6 o'clock in the morning. Hey, nah, hold on, no, we can't do it like that. We cannot do it like that. So every child can get you ready. You see it, come on. So when I say 6 o'clock in the morning, hey, no regrets, like a drug of a day, hey.
No regrets.
I will take that. I will
Enjoy.
take that.
Enjoy.
Oh, if you try for me, 'cause if you dare to try hard, it's like taking out one for. Are you willing to try just to be a say, yeah, ooh. If you're willing to fight, I'm back to you to say, yeah. If you're not over me, just look in the eyes and say, yeah, ooh. 'Cause I know what to reach, just so me know, say, huh. Somebody say, if you love me, say, yeah. You wanna make this work, say, yeah. If you love me, say, yeah. You wanna make this work, say, yeah. Huh. Oh, yeah. The loyal can show us. What is it they never show us? We will sing melodies like Mozart. I know that I make so much mistakes. It's fine, never go back. Fading away, it's over. Don't let life, our lives upon your hands, ladies, and we hear you. Are you willing to try just to be your say, yeah? One more time. If you're willing to try to come to you, just say, huh, let's see your hands up high. If you're not over me, just open up, it's a big girl, say, yeah. One more time, 'cause I want you to reach and so we go. Say, yeah. Enough of these sleepy things. Enough of these. Let me talk to one now. Just one now. Hold you one now. Just one now. Hold you one now. And that's what I'm saying. I can't sing. But now, yeah, can't walk it. You never pop. Pull up. shy was there. Let me tell you. Listen. The party lit.
The party late. The party done.
The party right. The party. Shalom. We are drinks. Pour it over the ice. Right now I'm thinking a chop. You can't stop party when we start the party. Alright. Hands on me. Get me just for a running. Back to just to stop running. Slow motion for we running. I'm sure you give it. Give them a power to work you. Give more motion you reserve it. Hold on, ready? How about this wine, girl? I walk it. See that? Can you white garnish? Back to white garnish. See the drive when you're arriving. Such a marvelous design. I can see that you're a goddess. Your design is so divine. I want you start to white garnish. Think it's white garnish. So I want just white garnish. I like this so one. When they ask you, could you be an angel? I want you roll. Roll. I like the roll. Hey, girl, allow you roll. Yes. If you're thankful for that, I will give you some round of applause like this. If you're here with your tail walking, I'm out my side right now. Why? Send them by your worries. Cause it's your fault, it's your night. So no one will try to copy me. Everything is unique. And different face, different style. Stop bringing it on up, stop to up now. These days I'm for play. What's all the people tell them today? How we are today. We are people we get it just for fun. We don't get to be proud. So put your hands up to this night. It's not an ass because you're breaking away. We jumping away. We living away. We walking away. We breaking away. We jumping away. We living away. Stop the wine. It's not the stop serving. I wait for the drop. I will be my top one. I don't get them to win. So let me see if I can get them to sit. Keep ready. All the sickness. Every day it's that time come out of my time and competent. It's that time come out of my time and competent. I come to my catch up and I show them get it. Cause when they get it out, I will do it like a plenty morning.
I'm not leaving. I gotta get to a party.
We jumping up, we living up, we walking up, we working up, we jumping up, we living up. We start to go, rock shot. Look, I'm gonna have the people that party more than 10 years. If you don't want to ask permission to go outside, because if you know your woman don't call you and tell you how to leave the club now. Ladies, if you know you don't want to pour up on a car, then I'm talking to you right now. Squeeze. If you know that you felt in a long time, let me see your hands up high. Put your hands high.
Do you remember when?
Everybody used to bet her. Running up in the day. Passing to the fucking day.
Do you remember when?
What's on the reading to go? Sorrow was in the show. If you remember, Saturday when
You
you
are
were
the veteran.
Now before I go on, I know you didn't see me in a while, I know a lot of people are not talking their way names, but I know the music. But I had to take time out to pay homage. To pay homage to a real legend, a real veteran.
Let's go.
Right? He was one of my mentors, and I promised him I would go everywhere and take him and take him, remember. All you know what we're talking about? All you feel like I feel like freestyle, cause that girl already know the point. So I want to use that to rock that bass and I want to use that time. What kind of wine is that funky girl? That's what I can freestyle to. Bring up the Ati, Ati, and not only the Lucian crew. If you know you hear me, I think Jamaica, you get to a foot. Then I want to see you let down the whole of the reason not to wind up. So girl, look, please,
Hold on, man.
power live. I can fire out freestyle.